This is Blackout Trail, and it holds one of the most iconic features ever to be built in my backyard. This feature is dubbed Big Gap for its massive size, and I believe that it is in need of a rebuild, so that is what we're going to be doing today. Most of my friends would tell you that this is their favorite feature in my backyard, and I would 100% agree. My plan was originally just to start digging, and then I would figure out a better idea once I had some dirt onto the lip. So after about an hour of digging, this is what we have so far. It looks pretty good. It's definitely a little bit taller than what we had it, and a hell of a lot wider, which is what we're really going for here. And also, it's definitely a little bit mellower too. So now we're gonna get to the really satisfying part, which is packing it down. So let's roll a nice packing time lapse. After about an hour of building, this lip is ready to be hit, so let's roll some clips of it.